Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. Now anybody can make money on Airbnb. This is a new side hustle that anybody can do using Airbnb, and you don't have to be a homeowner in order to make money. You want to read this?
Yeah, Airbnb is helping find renters an apartment so they can Airbnb it.
So if you wanna make some side hustle money, guys, I'm talking 50K a year, 100 grand a year, $500,000 a year. It's kind of a lot of money, but it's possible, guys. If you don't let your dreams be dreams and take action and just do it.
Yeah.
Let's give him some motivation, Izzy.
Yeah.
Tell them they can do it.
Yeah, you guys can do it. You got this.
All right, you want to read this?
Yeah, Airbnb really wants you to Airbnb an apartment. So its latest step is to find renters a place which they can also list on the travel booking platform.
So this is called Airbnb arbitrage. So essentially what you do, and this is before Airbnb is doing this, is you can go and find somebody renting out their house or their apartment. And let's say you go on Zillow or go on, what are the other ones? Trulia, apartments.com, whatever. You go on Zillow, you go on these, real estate. What are the other ones called? It's like Redfin. And you go on rentals and you look for something that's been on the market for a long time, like a house that's been listed for rent for like 150 days, like nobody wants to rent it for whatever reason. You go in there and you tell them, hey, I'll rent your apartment, but I want to negotiate in this contract that I can Airbnb out your place when I'm not staying there. So a lot of people are doing this, and so they'll find a house, let's say for $5,000 a month, and they'll go rent it out for $500 a night, furnished at a nightly rate, and they're profiting like 10 grand a month.
Oh wow!
Yeah, because people want to pay way more money for a couple nights, and they don't want to sign a year lease. And that's no surprise to anybody. It's worth way more, if I'm gonna go to Florida for a week, and I want to stay at an apartment or Airbnb or a house or whatever. I might pay a couple $100 a night because it's basically the same price as a hotel. And that person, so basically that's what Airbnb arbitrage is. But now Airbnb is essentially doing the hard part for you. So that way they'll find you apartments that they're called Airbnb friendly apartments in the US. Yeah, this is a new program called Airbnb friendly apartments in the US. It allows renters to find an apartment in more than 25 markets where they can Airbnb a spare room or the whole apartment while they're away.
That's so nice.
So this is kind of nuts. So now basically, what?
I wonder why they're doing this.
Just make more money. They want to expand into all of the, places where they want to get more and more listings. That's really what they want to do. They want to, compete with hotels. I mean, they already are competing with hotels.
Yeah.
But this is massive. So if you want to look into this, if this is something you're into, being a property manager, or if you want to get into Airbnb, but you can't afford to buy a house or an apartment to do so, look into Airbnb arbitrage, and also look at this special program that Airbnb has launched called Airbnb Friendly Apartments. Okay, pretty cool stuff. I know a lot of people hate Airbnb because of the fees and all that stuff, but hey, I mean, if you can use it to make money, why not?